It seems cool here, but you're running the AC and you're burning fire.
I like the fire. I take all these files and throw them in there. There's all kinds of junk mail coming all the
So
time.
you don't care about that. I have to pay the bills.
We took you to college, kid. I never got nothing for doing that. I'll smack your face. You're supposed to be lawn mowing right now. Where's my pills? I need my pills. I'll have a really bad problem in the bathroom.
No, you won't. I'll put your pills in your mom box. I'll give you some pudding. But I can't stand that you're burning that. If you like it and you want more, thumbs up and subscribe.